from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Hyundai i10 here on a 2013 63 plate, says 2013, 2014. Just doing the registration lamp. As you can see, I've already got the position lamp on. So these are the side lights, basically they're on. But if you look on the bottom, you've got two lights here, one on this side and one on this side here. So they're both not working. I'm going to replace both of them, so I'll just show you how it's done. First thing first, lights off. Tools you need and the bulbs you need is a 501 bulb. You can find that in the description. It's a capless bulb. So that's what you need, and a flat screwdriver. Now to do it, all you got to do is on this. You can do it from that side as well, but this side is better. So if you push this in and then push it, and then wedge your fingers in, nails in, so that's it. And then in an angle, take the whole thing out. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my gloves off because they're wet. Twist that to my left. Take the whole thing out. Now you got to remember this rubber seal as well, so make sure this rubber seal is on there. So if that's damaged for any reason, you'll get a lot of water going inside, so that's no good. Now that's the bulb you're replacing. So it's a 501 bulb. I've got that already, so I'm going to slot that in. That's it. And I'm going to just switch the lights and make sure it's working. Now you can see that there is working, but this one still isn't working. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace that one as well. Lights off. Gloves back on. Right. All I now do is, because you can see the locators on there as well. So you've got the big one there and the two small ones. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slot it in like this. And then twist it to my right. And then slot it this way in first. And then that's it. So I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side as well. So push the screwdriver in. And bring the whole thing out. And same thing again. This is a 501 bulb. So I'm only going to take one gloves out. So take the bulb out. Get the new one. Slot the new bulb in. And then put the cover on. And we're just going to check to make sure it's working before we put it on. Now you can see that there is working, as well as that one as well. So they're both working. To slot it in, so you can see the lugs on the bulb holder is exactly the same. So you just got to slot it in from one end first, and then the other end as well. That's it. That's job done. Job done. That's all it was on this particular model. So it is basically, it is a 501 bulb you need, and that will be in the description. If there is anything else you need, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And if this video has helped you and saved you a lot of money, you know, you can click on the thanks button and donate some money towards a good cause. And we'll mention in the next video as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.